Hi, Mark Reedy here. In this video I'm going to show you real quickly how to use the parts inventory list of active parts report. So if we go over here to reports, more reports, choose from the report type drop down parts inventory. And we're going to see here inventory list of active parts. So these are all the parts that have not been selected to be inactivated, and I'll show you where that is selected in a minute here. And so basically you can just click preview here to show the entire list of all your active parts. And so it shows you the part or stock number, the manufacturer part number, the manufacturer name, description, the type of part it is, category, the bin location, the bin number, the vendor, the current quantity on hand, the date the quantity on hand was verified, the quantity on reorder if there is, and the date the reorder was done, and the cost per unit, and the cost of the quantity on hand. And so if we go to the end of the report, you can see the total value as far as cost goes of the entire inventory on hand for active parts. And you can also export this list out to Excel. So if you click on this green X here, that'll send it to Excel. And you can see here that the headings are the original field names, so you have like S part number, but you can figure out what those are. And then you can filter and sort this list in any way that you want to. You could click on the data tab and then click on the filter, and then from there you can choose to see certain types of parts or whatever, different part numbers, different vendors, manufacturers. So if I wanted to see everything from Alcoa, for example, I could choose that. So that's how you could use that feature. Go ahead and close that. And then close this. And then you can choose to have this report sorted by the part number, or the inventory type, or the part manufacturer number, or the description, or the vendor. So it'll group those items together and sort them alphabetically, top to bottom. And then you can also choose to look at specific items, like if you want to look at a specific part number, or see you've got a group of part numbers, you could have a from and to there. So you could do 1 to 100, for example. Inventory types, you can look at a specific type of inventory here. So it just shows you that in the report. If you want to look at things with a specific description, so you may have 50 part numbers with the same description, you could bring all those up, and just to limit the report to show those, or things from a specific vendor, you could choose that. And when we close this, we'll go over here to the parts inventory. And you can see here where it says inactive. If we check that box on a part, then it becomes inactive and it's not an active part anymore. And you can see over here on the top right, you can choose to look at either the active parts or the inactive parts, or you can also look at the parts that need to be reordered, so they've hit their minimum quantity on hand threshold. So hopefully that's helpful for you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good one. Take care.